Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods? Would have been better for everyone.
Don't know where I'm at. I'm standing at the back, and I'm tired of waiting. Waiting here in line, hoping that I'll find what I've been chasing.
But a dragon killer is not one of them.
I shot for the sky, I'm stuck on the ground.
This isn't a joke, Hiccup!
Why
Not
do
like the
I
last few
try?
times, Dad.
I know I'm gonna fall down.
I got out your hurt and
Thought
take
I
it to
could
my
fly,
father. Viking.
so why did I
am a Viking!
I never know
Dad,
why
I can't
it's
kill
coming down, down, down.
Theo!
Dale, can you not hear me?
This is serious, son.
They'll kill Toothless. No.
To protect your pet dragon? Are you serious?
I'm not ready to let go.
Yes.
'Cause then I'd never know what I could be missing.
What are you gonna do?
But I'm
Put an end
missing
to
way
this.
too
I
much.
have to try.
So when do I give up
I just want to be one of
what
you.
I was
Today, he
wishing
becomes
for?
one of us!
I shot for the sky, I'm stuck on the ground.
We don't have
Why
to
do
kill
I
Stop the
try?
fight!
I know I'm gonna fall down. I thought I could fly, so why did I drown? I'll never know why it's coming down, down, down. Oh,
Go, go, go,
Couldn't wait the others.
can't
That was
find
before I know how
no
it's all so
way.
messed up. Take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
I don't wanna hear
That's what you're worried
the
about?
sound.
Once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
Losing
Throw your
what
body
I
with them.
never
You're
found.
not a Viking. You're not my son.
I shot for the sky, I'm still
Ready to
on
shoot.
the ground. Why do I try? I know I'm gonna fall down. I thought I could fly, so why did I drown? I'll never know why it's coming down, down, down. I shot for the sky, I'm stuck on the ground. Why do I try? I know I'm gonna fall down. I thought I could fly, so why did I drown? I'll never know why it's coming down, down, down.
300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though.